Dude, I don't want to be here anymore. It sucks.
Yeah, alright. Alright, hold on. It's quadrangulate.
Dude, what?
Quadrangulate.
We articulate.
Okay, fuck. Alright, ready?
Dude, this is boring and cartoon. We can do better than this.
Hold on.
There. Oh god, that's much better.
Yeah, look at this. This is great. Hey, what are those trucks over there?
What trucks? Oh, those weren't there last time we were here. What are they doing? They got all things set up over there.
What's it say on the side of that one truck? Over there. There's some words on there. It says,
hold on. It says, Horizon Drilling and Fracking. Fuck. Wait, there's another one over there. What the hell's that?
where? Holy shit. Okay, there's a truck. It says, Halliburton Drilling and Fracking.
Shit. Hey, there's another one right there in front of us. That one. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
That's, what is that? That's ExxonMobil. Hey, is that Rex Tillerson? Getting out of that one fucking limo?
Wait, holy shit. Yeah, it is. It's Rex Tillerson, man. That's, I don't know if that's not so great.
Wow. So glad we came out here to get away from it all.
Yeah, well, great. It's fucking America. Oh, fucking... The fracked.